Hey y'all, and welcome to Cooking It with Nat. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Do you guys like cookies? I know I do. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I made these strawberry shortcake whoopie pie cookies. And they were super easy to make, so good, super moist. So please, 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 on your way in, give me a like, comment, and also subscribe for more content. And also don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on the next post. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So fam, in this video, I'm gonna let this just be a little cook with me or bake with me. I'm not gonna be doing too much talking. I'm gonna just let myself bake and you guys could bake along with me. And then I will leave the ingredients in the description box down below so I don't leave y'all hanging. But I hope you guys enjoy the music and enjoy the video. And just a quick note, just so you know, when you get the box cake mix to make the cookies, the only thing you're not going to do is use milk. So you're going to use the oil and the eggs, and you're going to use those measurements that's on the back of the box. So that's just a quick tip. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I really do appreciate you guys checking me out. I know it's been a minute, but y'all, I went back to work, so I gotta do what I gotta do. Y'all, until the next video, y'all stay safe out there, and peace.